Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, remote vehicle start, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, power windows, MP3 player, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.